Hey everyone, as you all know, Season 1 has come to an end, and we're officially kicking off Season 2. Everything has changed. The currency, the interface, and even the airdrop hasn't been counted yet. So, let's break down all the updates and what's new this season. But first, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, you'll find the link in the description. I regularly post puzzle solutions, updates, and all the projects we're working on. Right now, we have 4 to 5 projects launching this month, and we also have a chat channel where you can ask questions and interact. Check out the revamped interface. One of the biggest changes is the daily combo, daily saver, and new daily missions. I'll walk you through everything, so stay tuned. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe. Now, let's jump into the bot. The first noticeable change is in the currency system. In the past, you could collect currencies in massive quantities, but now, things are different. Currencies are much scarcer, which means you'll need new strategies to achieve profitability. You must be clever about how you invest your time and efforts. In Season 2, we have a new currency, the diamond. Mining has also reduced drastically, so expect fewer tokens than before. It's important to adapt to these changes for better gameplay. Now, let's take a look at our profit per hour. I'll show you how to increase it step by step. Just like in Season 1, you can choose your preferred platform, whether it's OKX or Binance, though it doesn't make a huge difference. When you go into settings, everything remains the same. If you click on my name, you'll see the achievements from Season 1, which haven't changed. And yes, you still have access to a wide range of skins you can select for free. Moving on to the gameplay area, Hamster Kombat has really ramped up its focus on games this season. Playing games will yield coins, and every time you play and enter a code, you can earn rewards. Let's not forget about the mini-games. They're similar to the ones I've explained before, but they provide fewer coins. Keep in mind that the rewards here might feel a bit low, like 1 coin for every 100 played, but they're still worth it. Next up are the cards. You have options like My Cards and New Cards. Every time you buy a card, your profit per hour increases. For example, purchasing a specific card will boost your earnings. But remember, each card takes about 5 to 6 hours to upgrade. Now let's talk about referring friends. The more friends you invite, the more rewards you earn. 0.1 coins for each friend, and if they're premium members, you get even more. Finally, we have the tasks. By watching videos, following them on social media, and inviting friends, you can rack up some serious coins. For every 3 friends you invite, you earn extra coins. That wraps up our overview of Season 2. I hope you found this breakdown helpful. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. Also, don't forget to join our Telegram channel. It will be very important during this period. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.